Now here, listen up. This is the good news that we're about to hear. We're getting out of this pink. You see Wednesday, tomorrow, 99. It's going to produce heavy rainfall. It's got wind around 50 to 55 miles per hour, and it's a slow eastward moving storm. But the heat is going to continue, and especially going to continue Monday through about Wednesday. And then after that, we could see some cooler temperatures skyrocketing through the roof. I mean, we're going to be almost everywhere is in those triple digits. What we're looking at is our wet bulb globe temperature, and it's going to be in that extreme range. This is not like our regular temperatures or our heat index. This is something completely different. Here in Batesville, we'll get some. We have oh, I got one. That was awesome. I feel like I should kind of be celebrating right now. I mean, if I got 101 on a test, I know I'd be jumping for joy. Luckily, we got this cold front coming in here through on Thursday, and that's going to significantly drop our temperatures for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then you see for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we're in that bit humid range. That's kind of where we hang out for most of the summer. We've been wanting some rain. It's been pretty hot. I would say pretty hot. It's been really hot outside and it's been pretty dry outside. So finally, some of our western counties have gotten a little bit of rain. We're going to take a closer look at some of these showers. This storm is kind of start to fade away a little bit. We've got a special weather statement over it right now, but not too much else going on there. And again here, this storm also has kind of gone away, but it's okay. Missouri is keeping us a little bit more active with this weather going on. We got a thunderstorm warning, and just now a special weather statement has come over. Both of these showers are kind of combining just a little bit, but this is our special weather statement that has just came out, and then that thunderstorm warning is about to expire. But this storm is pretty hefty. It's got a lot of downfall of rain, and it's pretty windy as well. But for us, when is that rain going to finally come for hopefully some of us at least? Well, the temperatures right now, they're still hot. We're still experiencing that humidity going out. But by tonight, we could see some of that rain start to come through. And you can see this little line of, looks like it's clouds. So this is our outflow boundary, and those storms are going to try to pick up with that outflow boundary, maybe going into the night as well. For tomorrow, your day tomorrow, again, you're going to be mostly clear. Everybody is not going to get that rain like I know we all wish we would to cool off a little bit. But for some of our southern counties are looking like they're going to get a lot of that rain and starting to fade a little bit into southern Arkansas. For tomorrow, again, not everybody's going to get a shower, but we're going to start in the 80s, and as the day goes on, that rain chance starts to increase a little bit by little bit. By 5 p.m., that's our greatest time to get a shower, 50%. You hope you get one. I'm crossing my fingers that it's not too wet after these showers. They are very strong. So why are we getting this sudden, seems like this sudden cool down and this sudden chance of rain? Well, we've been sitting in those above average temperatures. We've been in those 100s. We've been in those high 90s. But now this cold front is starting to come through here on Thursday, and you can see that our temperatures drop pretty dramatically. And now we're in those below average temperatures. We're going to be sitting at about 84, sitting in those mid 80s for a couple of days. So it'll be really, really nice outside. Also, it's going to be nice outside because our dew point is going to drop. So that mugginess that you normally always feel, yeah. This weekend is looking like the perfect weekend to have that last weekend of summer if you're starting to go back to school or anything like that. For now, maybe stay indoors for just a little bit longer. Our dew points are still up very, very high. We're still sitting in those mid 70s. Some people are in the 80s, and that feels like temperatures is going to relate right back to that. We're still mostly in those feel like of 100 almost everywhere, and those temperatures still in those upper 90s. So hang on one more day. That cold front will come on through, but it's looking still pretty nice outside. I know it's very tempting to get out when you have a couple weeks of summer left. We got nice clouds in Batesville, and this is our storm that we have been looking at, that we've talking about a little bit earlier. You can kind of see the top of it right there, but we might get a little bit of lightning. If it was nighttime, we'd probably see it a little bit better. We got that 20 pop in there. That rain chance is still there. Might not everybody get it, but if you do see some lightning or some rain on your window tonight, that might be why that cold front is going to start to come through tomorrow. We're praising everything that these temperatures are dropping finally. This weekend, again, gorgeous weekend. And by the time we get to next week, those 90s start to creep back in, but also those rain chances also start to ramp up again.